Hi, this is Usman. I have built the Salestide application, so which is running on the cloud. So this is like I designed it like it is running dedicatedly on the AWS cloud. We can see the cloud architecture of our project. So here I can show my architecture here. So here we are having that AWS inline. So outside of that, there is a user and browser. So our application is accessed through the internet gateway to the users through browsers and all the wwws which is accessed over the internet. So then it is connected with the authentication. So because the application is hosted and the front end is hosted on the AWS, so what I can connect MongoDB for the authentication. So it is also connected with the front end. So it is connected with the AWS cloud. So inside that I have two separate clusters here. So my first one is like it is a front end cluster which can contain some Docker containers. So what I did is like this front end you saw here. So it is not exactly run on using the ng serve command. So the front end is like I build with Angular, but it is not running with the ng serve command. So I am using here as a docker. So docker is the one which is running my application here. So here it is my logs here. So my docker hub. So this is my docker hub account. So I am created my image. So I dockerize the whole application sales prediction app in my id, and I pushed it with my version 1. So here you can push my docker image here. So what I did is like I can dockerize my whole front end app and I can push it into the docker hub, and with the help of the docker hub again I pushed back into my AWS instance. So I created some EC2 instance and access it, and I configured some security groups inbound and outbound roles. Then I, with the help of some Elastic Container Service ECS cluster, I am containerizing my front end app, and I will push my front end on EC2. So now my front end is hosting on the EC2, and I'm connecting my front end with the back end with the help of a Flask Python framework. So here I am doing the data modeling. So here you can see, so it access my production server. So I used MongoDB as an database. So with the help of a Flask, I can communicate with the MongoDB also. So here I can see. So this is my front end app. So then this is the about. So I named my app as a sales tide because it's like a wave. So the sales are like it is not up, it is not always down. So it is like always changing. So I imagine that as a wave, and I can give the wave animation using scalar vector graphics. And this is my application name sales tide to the UI. Then this is my about page. Then this is the architecture I already shown. Then these are some options here. So data extraction, we can do authentication, database management with the help of MongoDB, and we can deploy it through the AWS. So here I can connect with my social medias here. So I also give my social medias. So if I click here, it goes to my LinkedIn account. Yeah, I'm curious about cloud and DevOps. So cloud engineer. So then these are some options like structures. So if I log in this, can sign in using, yeah, welcome. So here it shows after login it shows my name. Then again it shows all the options we see before, and we can see the identity code of our persons, and we can see the icons. Then we can go for prediction. So we can choose a file. So this is a bootstrap model I am giving. So we can give a name of sales cloud. We can predict something for 3 months. Then if I predict this, so it can choose me a bar graph and chart graph, and it can so map MIRMSC root mean square values. So if we want to download the dataset, I can download it. Otherwise, if I want to store the dataset, I want to store it. So here our title is there and our collection is there. So here our collection is showing what are the predictions we have searched. So those are coming here, and we can see the time of our prediction. So here we can see our visualizations. Then here we can search based on the preview. So this is then if we want to log out, it can log out. Yeah, it will come, and again we can go to the home page. So here this is the logs I generated. So this is basically run on a Docker container, and the database I am showing is like, so here it is my database. It is connected with the MongoDB. So if I browse collections, we can see the account that is merged with the Salestide application. So my main motto of this project is to express my cloud skills. So these are some accounts I have created. So this architecture will definitely give me the idea of cloud. I researched about that container. So we can create a separate cluster for front end and back end, and we can navigate it. So yeah, I can also give my VPC. So here I am connecting my virtual private cloud, in which we can also configure the IPs and CIDR blocks, and I am having subnets. So in which it can group out with the group of AWS resources. Earlier I am trying with the AWS DynamoDB, but I came up with failure. So what, I am going to MongoDB for my database, but soonly I am trying that AWS DynamoDB. I am including this, and I have route tables which can collect some the group of the IP address, so which can makes us a source and destination of our application. Then I am having an internet gateway, so in which can give the app securely to the web browser. So as I earlier said, like here I am having the internet gateway which is attached to the VPC, and it is authenticated through the browser. So it can protect our access a firewall and protect our application. Then I am having some gateways. So these are my VPC structures, and I have network access list to read and write the application, and also the security groups of the application. So this is my EC2 management console. So that's about the architecture. So thank you for giving the opportunity to make this. Because of this, I am uh, more getting to know the new things in cloud native, and I am able to deploy this full stack applications on AWS. I'm also having some proofs like inbound rules, and this is like when I pulled the Docker image from the Docker hub, and it is running on this EC2 instance. So during this process, I am facing the lot of problems because this image is like it has more storage, but when I created EC2 instance earlier, I can create a elastic block storage with the 8 GB space. Then the application crashed and the instance was totally crashed. Then I little by little I am increasing the elastic block storage, but it also cost high. So I am researching on that to reduce the cost. And this was like after deploying my sales prediction Salestide app, you can see here after deploying this. So these are my testing and testing of my Salestide instance. So this is the overall architecture. That's all. Thank you for watching.